your girl is officially a citizen. And here is the turkey. Marinate, marinate, marinate. All my business out there. But your girl is officially a citizen, and the only reason why I'm sharing this is to give you guys some inspiration and hope. Honestly, the only reason why I haven't been a citizen is because of procrastination and laziness. But I put in my paperwork from last year, and it took me over a whole year with the whole pandemic, with the whole changing of immigration rules and laws and stuff, to get my citizenship. And I came here when I was 15. I've been legal here since, so I could have been gotten my citizenship, but because I'm lazy and procrastination, that's why I didn't get it. So I finally put in the paperwork, and a whole year later is when I got it. I'm super excited, and I want this to be an inspiration for other Jamaicans, other Caribbean people here that are working towards a particular goal. Just keep your head down and continue working, okay? I made sure I didn't get myself into any trouble. I paid my taxes, and here it is a whole year later. I'm so happy. I was so scared going into that interview. I swore in the same day, because you could swear in that same day at the particular location that I went, or you could swear in another day. I was like, let's get it done, baby. Okay, I'm swearing in. I want my certificate. Get this done. So I'm super happy, super excited. Yeah, and juice. What? You're not getting no more juice, Kai. I just gave you juice. I just gave him a bottle of juice. He drank it down in 5 minutes, and now this boy is crying for more juice. Anyways, and the reason why I didn't talk about it when I was going through the process is because I realize now, especially, that I'm big on energies. I'm big on protecting me and my family. And I don't want anybody to jump into any assumptions or anything like that. So I kept it to myself until it was done and over with, because I didn't want to put it out there and then people start bringing them bad energy and them negativity towards it or at it. So I kept it to myself. So yeah, that's why I didn't share with you guys sooner. If you guys want any information or just video explaining the process and how I went through it, please let me know. I'll definitely give you guys tips and pointers and all of that. So yeah, I don't like talking about things until it's set in stone, it's done and completed. We like to make sure that everything is like set in stone. It's about to be turkey day, so I bought some pots from Walmart. I'm updating that stuff. Yeah, and there's Kai in my fridge again, and there goes my turkey right there, please, and my Cornish hen. Kai, lock my fridge door, please. So this is me seasoning just prepared my overnight. This is jerk overnight. That was some regular turkey. I actually used Jamaican owned black owned seasoning company called Spice Jamaica for my turkey and my jerk Cornish hen, and it turned out really amazing. I hope you guys bought that on Black Friday. And I also had some goat and oxtail. We haven't eaten meat in a while, and I told babe not to get a whole lot of meat, and this is the amount he got. It was a whole lot, but anyways, we had fun. Kai, God no. Alright, so this is my face. This woman. This is the only thing Babe has ever put together. Ah! Babe finally put something together.
I'm a 6-pack now.
Ah! Babe finally put something together.
No, they ain't really put together. I'm trying to figure out what goes with her next.
Mmm.
We do have a few pieces in that.
I just want to admit that. I'd like to give
Spiked out of place.
Yeah. Her dad bought her a bouncer. I wanted a bouncer or a walker for Christmas, but her father just go buy. So, one less thing on the Christmas list to buy. I normally get, I'll talk about that more when Christmas comes, but yay! My cutie patootie. Say hi, mommy. Hi. So today is the day after Thanksgiving. We had a whole bunch of fun. It was amazing. As you guys know, we have been vegan for about 6 months now, and yesterday was the first time we ate meat. We literally feel like we didn't know our food coma, but it turned out really good. And this is my first time actually making a turkey on Thanksgiving. Normally I'm with my family, so my mom makes it, and it came up okay. Can't complain at all. So we went to the dollar store and stuff. I'm gonna show you guys a quick little haul. I got me some Christmas tree decorations, and I got some flowers for this table. Like I said in my last video, the only thing that this table needs is some flowers. So these are the flowers that I got from the dollar store. They're really beautiful. They have some gold jewelry in the middle. It will go great with my gold rings right there. So let's just throw them in there and see how they look. I'll have to take off the tags and stuff off it. Don't know why the same thing up there, but okay. So that is how it's looking. And I'm gonna like fill these up with crystals and stuff to hide the bottom part. It looks so good. This table looks so good. As you can see, that is a cake. Christmas cake. The only other thing I got was me some antibacterial soap for the bathrooms. Got me some makeup brushes. I actually love these e.l.f. makeup brushes. Got me a soap dispenser because the kids broke the one that's in the second bathroom. And I got this for Nika. This is scrunchie. She's always asking for scrunchies. One for Nika, one for Milan. Yeah. That is our haul. We're probably going to eat some leftover food from Thanksgiving. So when we eat the food, or when Babe starts hot up the food, I'll actually show you guys, because it was so good. And I forgot to add, I got me some wrapping paper from Walmart too. So there's the oxtail, the goat, turkey, jerk Cornish hen. This is some rice and peas and some stir fry rice. Cornbread. Talk up to my husband. He has the best cornbread recipe. I'm sure he's not telling how he make it. Mac and cheese, curry hash brown. I'm about to share my food. So this was our Thanksgiving plate and it looks so good. Okay, talk up to me because a girl can cook. So I'm gonna close out the vlog. I normally never close out these vlog videos. I don't know why, but I'm trying to be better at vlogging. So I'm gonna close out this vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Happy belated Thanksgiving if you celebrate it, and if you don't, I hope you spend some time with your family. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces. Say bye, mommy.